Hey, Luna.
Hey, Danny.
So what's the meaning of life?
42. Just kidding. But seriously, I think it's about finding joy in the little things. Like, I don't know, eggplant parm?
You really think eggplant parm holds the secret of existence?
Well, it's a combination of simplicity, comfort, and the fact that cheese is basically a universal truth.
True. Cheese does make everything better. But are we ready to commit to dinner yet? My brain is still processing this entire conversation, to be honest.
It's like this. Start with cheese, work backwards to a peaceful state of mind. You'll be ready for dinner in no time.
So you're suggesting I let cheese guide me? I think you're onto something.
Trust me, cheese has never steered anyone wrong. Also, I'm 98% sure you'll be an eggplant parm wizard by the end of this.
You have such faith in me. Alright, let's do eggplant parm for tonight. But I'm telling you, if something goes wrong, you're getting a strongly worded email.
Deal. Just don't forget the cheese.